So hey guys, yeah. What he's gonna be doing on this is probably at some MW3, and yeah, he just wanted to do this.
Okay, we're going to the kitchen because it's easier to see. Be careful. Ooh, cupcakes. Yeah, so I got these last, I'm not sure. When I was at school, I came and I got it, and yeah, they're pretty cool. And people say that my cousin plays Halo, so I bought it came with the Halo Lego gun, and I thought it was pretty cool. So, and here, I just put a book in there, I don't care. Sniper rifle, I get, oh, I just want to slide that camera out. Oh, no, sorry. So I have to be careful, please. Oh, just wait a second. Keep the camera here. I'm back, guys, and I just had to get my Lego guy. Let's see how the guns fit on him. This is what it looks like in it. I'm going to take a close-up. Cool, huh? Okay, we're going to move that. And we have that over here, which is an amazing gun, and it'll system it to 100 Berkeley. It says I'm a big fan of Yawcast, so yeah, if you want to go to the description below, there will be a video with me searching on the Yawcast on computer. You got a pistol when you're on Spec Ops on Modern Warfare 3. Cool, huh? Yeah, I love making films. Oh, yeah. This, you might know this as from the World War II. And I know everybody loves this gun, but this is where you shoot and shoots grenades. That gun. Yeah, I had to cut it off because that was kind of about to me, so. Yeah. Oh, okay, never mind. Machine gun. Stylish, nice graphics of it. So guys, you'll see me on day 2 today, so bye.